except nowadays everything's on the computer with design tools. So what I do is start with a blank piece of paper and end up with a product that goes into manufacture. And most of what I do is on the computer.
Wafers are around 4 million a piece. Give you some perspective. This fab has been built 20 years ago, but a brand new fab, automated facility, manufacturing facility, like as for Intel. They do make a little bit bigger wafers, but they're reaching $2 billion to build. With that said, we have to make a lot of these chips every day.
So, what's your name?
Robert Morosky.
What's your job here?
I am the materials analysis manager of the material analysis lab.
Describe your job.
I just did. I take parts, break them down, look from beginning to end, mostly in the materials analysis, physical analysis of the devices.
So, what's your name?
Mitch.
Do you have a last name?
Henry.
Okay. What's your job here?
I am an applications engineer at Semiconductor.
Describe your job.
So I work with the interface between the new product development and the customers. So customers being OEMs such as Audi, Ford, etc.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing on Semiconductor.